Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iPhone news app stuck on loading. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your recent apps, force close the news app and reopen it on your device. If that does not work, what you can do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You may also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. And if that too does not work, simply head over to your quick settings, long press on the power button, power off your device and restart your device. If that too does not work, what you can do is tweak your iCloud settings. For that, simply head over to settings on your device, tap on your name, hit iCloud. Once you've hit iCloud, what you'll have to do is head over to show all, find news, toggle it off, choose keep on my iPhone and then toggle it back on and select merge. After that, what you can also try and do is reset your network settings. For that, what you'll have to do is head back over to settings, hit general, scroll down and then hit transfer reset iPhone, hit reset and then choose reset network settings. If that does not work, what you can do is simply head over to your app drawer, search for the news app in the app drawer, and then you can uninstall the news app and reinstall it on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.